think you guys got caught.
Not over till 6.
Yeah. I know, I want to leave too, but we're stuck. Alright guys, the great escape failed. What happened? No go?
Out.
Oh man.
I know. Want to put you in the butt.
The great escape failed.
Yeah, you got that.
Alright guys, they made it. Alright guys, we got a group of outlaws, put the pressure on the car show staff and they got out. Call that the great escape. And I think they started a movement because people are following now.
Don't do it until 6. People are sneaking out. We'll get you out as soon as we can.
They started a movement, huh?
Yeah, a few of them. Want to take off?
That one caught me by surprise. They had bags.